What's up YouTube, AR Car Reviews here again with another video, and in today's video we are going to be discussing what ways and how can you shoot automotive car videos. How can you guys make your car look the best it can on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Twitter, whatever they call things nowadays. There's so much social media, it's hard to keep track of them all, but whatever, you guys get the point. You point camera, take picture, come out good, get likes. How do you do that? If you guys want to start a YouTube channel, if you guys want to, do car reviews like how I do, or you just want to be popping on Instagram or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're going to get into all that good stuff at the end of this video. You'll know how you can be a car, automotive, YouTuber, Instagrammer, TikToker. I don't know, whichever one you want. So you want to get started making videos. How can you go about that? The easiest way to go about it is to use whatever you have to start. It's not gonna be the best thing ever, and you're probably gonna look back at it and say it's trash. Trust me, I do that all the time. But it's gonna be some of your best memories, so you might as well start with what you have. We don't need a $20,000 camera. Don't go in debt to get a camera just so you can make videos and you don't know how to edit. It's up to you to use whatever you have, and then when you finally get a chance, you can then upgrade. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the cameras I have in order to make some of these car review videos that you guys like so much. All right, so to start things off, it's very simple, but you got a phone, right? You're probably watching this on a phone, so you should probably start by using your phone. You wanna make sure you get really good angles with just your phone. I think your phone is the easiest thing. We always have it on us, and a lot of the time people think we need to go to Best Buy and buy a $20,000 camera with these giant lenses. You don't really need that. They do look amazing, but if you don't have any of the photography skills to actually know what you're doing, it's not gonna come out that good. So trust me, an expert with their phone is definitely gonna be a lot better and a lot more professional than you think. Shots I'm taking on my phone. Listen, man, I'm rusty, bro. Listen, I'm rusty. But yeah, this is my 2017 Honda Civic EX. I know it's no Maybach, or I know it's no McLaren, I know it's no Lambo, but listen, you guys can learn from this no matter which car you got. Because when I get those cars, I'm gonna be like, he know how to film. So I'm gonna show you guys a little something. This is no gimbal. All right, I think that's enough of that, but I'll drop a little preview of it for now. This is my Insta360 gimbal stick. I forgot whatever it's called. It's called the Insta360 Flow, and if you're just planning on just using your phone, you can't go wrong with this. The Flow, twist it like that, and then it gives you stability, so whatever you're filming, you can always have that like axis of making sure your videos came out really, really smooth. The next thing we're gonna move to is, I guess I could take out the drone. I forgot my drone. The next thing we're going to talk about is going to be the Insta360 ONE X2. This is my personal favorite. If I feel like I only had to have one camera, it might be this one. I don't know. Now, the bad thing about this is quality, but what I'm realizing is that you guys don't care about it, or nobody really cares about it too much, because nobody's watching videos in 4K. I mean, I watch videos in 4K. I don't know if everybody else doesn't, but I know I do. I like quality. I'm a quality geek, okay? If there's a video in 4K, trust and believe I'm lagging to watch that video, okay? I like my pixels. The good thing about this camera is it's a 360 camera. You get every and any angles. There's times where you're gonna catch stuff that you probably wanted to catch and you couldn't because you have this camera. This camera is really nice. And with Insta360 coming out with the X4, it's really cool that they actually brought this camera. Now again, the caveat for this is that the quality is not gonna be there. This camera is gonna shoot in like 1080p. They broadcast it as 4K, but it's 4K 360, not the same thing as 4K flat. Another thing is that this is not as destructible as the GoPro. I literally ran over my GoPro and then used it the next day. Roll clip. So yeah, this, as you can see, is very exposed, okay? You have the lens open, and if this slams down, it's over, it's done, like it's clipped. So why do I like the Insta360 so much? I like it because of its versatility. With the Insta360, I'm not a sponsor, by the way. With the Insta360, you can get massive amounts of clips that you just never would have thought. And in today's day and age, I think this is the pocket pick for me, because you can take one footage that you have and shoot it in 16:9. You could take that same clip again and then format it in 9:16 for YouTube. So with one single clip, you can make it YouTube and Instagram post worthy without having to have this lines on the side and making it look like, you know, nobody cared about what you were posting. Since I forgot the DJI, since I forgot the drone, I'm gonna film that another day, but for now, let's talk about the GoPro. All right, so as you guys probably know, the GoPro is incredibly durable. Like what I said before, I ran over this camera and it's still going, you know what I mean? Like the GoPro looks absolutely fine. It has built-in image stabilization, also does the Insta360. So, you know, it's kind of like the best of all worlds. The things I do not like about the GoPro is that it has that fisheye lens. Like, you know what I mean? Like you can see the other side, like it's super wide. Even when it doesn't try to be, it does that. So that's one part that's really annoyable. That's really annoying to me. But I think overall, with everything else that comes with the GoPro, you can't really hate on it. It just does everything really well. So yeah, if you guys have an opportunity, you can see that any one of these items will get you a good video, trust me. So if you need any advice on how to start off your own car YouTube channel, make sure you use what you have and use it to the best of your ability. When I first started my YouTube channel, I think the first thing I was using was a GoPro Hero 5 and my iPhone with no gimbal. So at the time I had no image stabilization. All my shots were like, I don't even think it shook because I have image stabilization built in now, electronic, you know, technology. But yeah, I didn't have any of that good stuff. All of my stuff was super shaky. So we have new stuff coming out like every week, it feels. You don't need the most expensive camera. Don't drop 3 bands on a Sony a7 III. Just use what you have, get out there, make friends, talk to people, and yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a subscribe, help your brother out. We missed the goal of hitting 500 subscribers last month, so we setting it back to this month and we put in another 100 on top of it. We're trying to hit 600. So come on guys, I know you guys see the videos I'm popping out. I'm trying to help you guys just so you guys can also help me, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys are all having a beautiful day. See the Civic out there, it's looking mad dirty. I know, right? I'm not taking care of that thing. It's looking very, very, very dirty. But again, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. AR out.